From Speed asking this question.
I got a question. Would you let me and Adin Ross call you?
What?
Like, just for like some OnlyFans video type shit.
To Fauci crashing out on his cameraman.
I love you, and I'm gonna try something I've never done. I swear to God, on my mother's heartbeat, you would be fired right now, and you personally, I think I would have punched in the face.
These are times streamers forgot they were live. This first one is crazy because while Zias was live, this girl called him. So he went to mute his microphone and started to have a really inappropriate conversation with her.
Why didn't you answer?
I was on the phone.
Oh, I was trying not to masturbate. I'm like, just call your friends, You won't masturbate, just call them.
Oh, you trying to masturbate?
I'm trying not to masturbate.
Oh, no.
Because I want to get this week and I want to like go nuts because I'm like so horny that I'm like, you know?
Oh, you talking about who you linking up with?
Well, I have a couple people on the list, so I'm going to try to get through everybody.
Next up, Speed. When he was dating this Instagram model girl called Dream, and while they were live one time, he pretended to end the stream. And you won't believe what happened.
Like, they saying stream ended. Like, they saying stream ended, basically. So, are we about to hit? Are we about to?
Yeah. But you know what y'all did this time?
What?
You know how I have 1, 2, 4 holes?
Uh-huh.
All of them.
Once again, we have Speed because while he was live with this transgender girl, he ended up picking her up and accidentally slapping her on her ass, and he got very embarrassed and left the stream.
How do you, bro?
I'm waiting. Hurry up.
All right. I'm sorry.
Slap my
Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
I did not mean to do that. Move. What did I just do?
I don't know.
No, bro. No, what did I just do?
In this next one, Corinna Koff and this streamer were live together when she came in and sat on his lap and felt something hard.
This is the seatbelt.
Whoa.
Imagine if we had seatbelts that were arms.
Okay. Alright. What's poison Fortnite? You're playing Will.
Why do I feel something on my butt?
What?
Why do I feel something
Stop, you're
hard
joking.
on my butt?
You're joking.
I'm not joking.
Screw it. When you get up,
Are you gonna stand up then?
No, you gotta move the lens. They can see everything.
What do you mean see everything?
If they see the angle
What angle?
of my chubby dub dub.
Wait.
Ah!
You actually have a chub? Stop it. Are you joking?
Zoom in that camera ASAP.
This next also involves Zias as well as Adin Ross because Adin pretended to end the stream while he was with this girl, and he started saying that they should record some content together. And she was actually down for it, and you won't believe what happened next.
He ended it now.
Okay,
You actually gonna do it for?
Do what? What are we doing? What are we doing?
Yeah, man.
I'm down. No, I'm saying, like I'm down to record for OnlyFans.
Yeah, you can be in it.
I'm scared. I've never been to OnlyFans before. Should I actually do it?
Yeah, but
Would it go crazy?
yeah. What's up?
All right, I'm down. You actually want to go do it?
Let me see what you're like.
Right now? Whip it out right in front of Zias?
I supposed to.
I'm down, bro.
Wait, so you can be the booty bandit and you can be the coochie bandit. What's up?
I'm with it. No?
Oh.
Are you actually trying to go do it though, bro?
Yeah.
Let's go record.
I want to do a DP.
I've never done this shit before.
You want to do a DP?
When was the last time you did a DP? Don't lie.
Now.
No, the last time before now.
I'm going to do it now.
Let's go. No, but I ended stream though. Like, I'm telling you, you can tell me the truth. Like, when was the last time you did it?
A minute.
Long time ago?
Hey, come on, let's go.
All right, come on.
Ooh, shit. Ah!
A few weeks later, Speed was streaming with Adin Ross, and they tried to do the same thing where they pretend to end the stream and ask this girl if she wants to film some content. And you won't believe her response.
I'm in this stream, bro. Goodbye, y'all.
You ended it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Y'all trying to go to the pool or some shit?
Yeah, man. Let's go to the pool, bro. Let's go.
Let's take a trip to Brazil.
Bro. Stream ended, bro.
Thank you for coming on the stream.
Yeah.
No problem.
Hey, I got a question though. Like no streaming. Like the stream is over with. I got a question. Would you let me and Adin Ross call you?
What?
Like just for like some OnlyFans video type shit.
You don't even seem on board with that.
No, I'm just like, I'm seeing what he has to say.
Yeah, bro, you on board,
You
right?
guys are always f***ing around. And shit.
No, we're not. Like, we're serious.
No, for an OF video.
We're serious, bro.
I'm with it. If you with it and you with it.
Yeah.
I mean, if not, then I don't care either way. Yeah.
All right.
Slips we recorded?
It's our.
Yeah. Like, done streaming, bro. Like, we're chilling.
But would we make a lot of money off that shit?
Yeah.
How much we make off that shit, though?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Why? You gotta think about it.
Think about it.
I mean,
What, bro? Like, we chilling.
I don't know. I'm a little shy, I guess.
In this next one, Fousey was talking to his friends about his new upcoming album, and he didn't know his cameraman was recording behind him and said something that no one had to know.
I'll chuck it in my bag. I'll chuck a beanie in my bag.
Yo, Ahmed, that was one song, the throwaway single. Wait till they hear Ferrari. Wait till they hear Soulja. Wait till they hear the song with Mexican OT.
The car is ready.
Wait till they see you in the studio. Be back on this side. Please.
Close the door. Wait. How long have you been here?
Just like 2 minutes.
Is it muted or unmuted?
I turned off the mic.
What is it on right now?
It's on now.
What was it when I was talking?
Just the last sentence you said?
Yeah.
It was on.
Just the last sentence, that's it.
Everybody sit down, please.
It wasn't on the...
Sit down. You asked me for permission to go film outside to smoke your vape. I allowed it. I had a very vulnerable moment with my team. I did not know you crept back into the corner. I just leaked one of my features. That wasn't supposed to happen until 3 weeks from now. I love you, and I'm gonna try something I've never done. I swear to God, on my mother's heartbeat, you would be fired right now. And you personally, I think I would have punched in the face. But I'm a grown man now, so listen. When you come into a room, you yell, cameras. My life is 24/7. I'm gonna have privacy moments. I just said something I shouldn't have said. I didn't know you were here, dog. Practice again. Walk outside, come back into the car as if we're doing it.
Now in this next one, we have this Counter-Strike streamer that always uses this dog as his face cam, but it bugged and showed his actual face. And when he realized, he freaked out. This next one could have ended a lot worse because while this streamer was live and talking to her chat, her dress just came off her shoulder.
And then one time I used a lighter, but all the matches are burnt out, which is so annoying. I found a box of matches. I was like, oh, praise the Lord. And then I opened it and all of them were burnt. Like, Monka! Oh, just popped it. Yeah, boys, that's fine.
In this next one, we have Fousey once again. And he clearly forgot he was live here because this fan was just nicely asking for a picture when he randomly crashed out on him.
Let me find my wallet. Can I get a credit card? I don't have my credit card. What do you mean, bro? I just need it for 2 seconds. I gotta pay my Uber. No, don't take a picture. Can I get a credit card?
No, I don't have a credit card.
Huh?
I don't have a credit card.
Hey, I was about to give you $1,000. You wanted a picture with me and you wouldn't even pay for my Uber. Go f yourself. You fuck. That, you see that dumb shit? Comes up to me for a picture. I go, hey, give me your credit card, right?
What is it?
I say, he comes up to me for a picture. I go, hey, give me the credit card. He goes, I don't have a credit card. I go, I gotta pay for my Uber.
Now next up we have Ninja, and he accidentally clicked to start his stream and just sat here very sad, and everyone in chat was worried about him.
I literally didn't mean to click start streaming.
But this next one was insane because this guy was sleeping when his cat jumped on his desk and clicked the button to start his stream, and his friend had to call him to let him know. In this next one, Pokimane also forgot where the camera was because when she came in this room and accidentally bent down right in front of the camera.
No, just no like.
No special weird rolls.
No, just regular rolls.
I'm sorry, I forgot. My cat's here!
You stepped on her?
No, I just like bent over to put my cat and I forgot the camera was there.
Stick her butt in the camera.
Oh my god.